Hello there. Because we're busy, I thought I'd do a really fast guide to ice dyeing, and I'm going to do the bloom pattern on a t-shirt. Now remember, the higher the percentage of cotton, the better the results. So you need obviously your fabric, you need some dyes, some gloves because it's very messy, a mask, some kind of drying rack, something for it to drip into, and don't forget the ice. Here we go. Fold the t-shirt in half, then fold one of the ends in, and then you're pleating it a couple more times. Repeat on the other side, and fold together, so you have a kind of dart. Then ruche the ends like petals. You want to place this on a drip tray with a cooling rack and cover it with ice. The more ice you use, the less of a pattern you'll get. Now you use your dye. This is where you want to have a face mask on as well. I'm going to do lots of different colours, but you could just choose to do one or two. Now leave the ice to melt and for the dye to take up to 24 hours. And here's the end result.